Hi, my name is Habib. I'm from Abuja, Nigeria. I have been teaching project management for a while in colleges, polytechnics, and universities. Today, we're considering a topic entitled Work Breakdown Structure. My mandate is to help students to understand project management simplified. And we're considering the topic today, Work Breakdown Structure Simplified. Now, what is work breakdown structure? This is the breaking down of tasks into smaller structures of work for efficient management, faster and easy completion of tasks based on the timeline and budget target. The most useful tool for accomplishing all project tasks that seems challenging is the work breakdown structure, WBS. Every project planning answers the questions of one, what must be done, that is the scope of work. Two, how long will it take, that's the time to deliver the project. Three, how much will it cost, that's the budget. We'll consider a very simple work breakdown structure timeline. If I am planning to clean my room at the end of the week, it is a project. We will use work breakdown structure of cleaning a room diagram for illustration. And this is a work breakdown structure diagram for cleaning a room. This is the project. And these are the broken down tasks that needs to be accomplished soonest. And this is a sub-broken down task also from this work breakdown structure diagram. Thank you for watching this video. I'm expecting to meet with you soonest. I do believe you have had an impactful learning experience through this video. I therefore request give you a trial lesson when I will treat in details work breakdown structure. In class, we conceive together, plan together, and we deliver together. That is why we are friends. Thank you.